Good evening, children. Welcome again in my YouTube channel Gurukul Learning Academy. Today our topic is English grammar, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So first we will see both definition. So transitive verbs means transitive verbs require an object to complete their meaning. So in this, the object is very important to complete the meaning of sentence. In intransitive verbs cannot have a direct object after them. In this, it is not necessary to have a direct object to give meaning for the sentence. So let's see examples for transitive verbs. For example, if the sentence is I bought, so there is no specific meaning for I bought, but if the complete sentence is I bought a car, so this makes a particular meaning to the sentence. So here the word bought is transitive verbs in this sentence. Second example, she likes chocolates. So likes is a transitive verb. Third example, I invited Reena. So here invited is transitive verb in this sentence. Next example is I cut my finger. So here the cut word is transitive verbs. Next example, the man stole a bike. So stole word is a transitive verb in this. I am looking for my passport. So looking is word as a transitive verbs in this sentence. The next sentence is we enjoyed the concert. So the word enjoyed indicates the transitive verb. Next, I opened the door. So opened, this word indicates the transitive verb. Next, she kicked the ball. So kicked, this word indicates the transitive verbs. Next, he took me a temple. So took is the word which indicates the transitive verbs. And I saw an accident. So saw is the word which indicates the transitive verbs. And the last example for transitive verb is he copied my answer. So copied is the word which indicates transitive verbs. Now we will see few examples for intransitive verb. So let's start with the first example. Again we will remember intransitive verbs cannot have a direct object after them. So the first example, he arrived. Then second example, the baby smiled. I got up at 6 morning. She sneezed loudly. The next example is your baby cries a lot. So cries is the word for intransitive verb. The rain fell heavily. I was waiting but nothing happened. I walked to work every day. The next example is we sat on the bench and he stood in the corner. The next example, we waited but nobody came. And last example for this is his grandfather died last year. So these are few very important examples for transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Thank you.